Hey family. So technically it's still morning, so good morning. At least here for a little while longer. I have been running paperwork and just back end stuff on the business all morning, and it just gets you carried away in the office and kind of forget what time it is. So I wanted to check in and tell you guys that I hope you're doing absolutely awesome. I believe it's our Together Tuesday, and I want to tell you guys an update on some of the stuff that we've been working on and I've been working on and what we're getting taken care of. So this October, we're bringing a festival into the area, and I know I've mentioned it, but I'm getting more and more details locked in, and you'll hear more and more about it as we go on. Um, but what we're trying to do is for the week of October 14th through the 21st, it coincides right with our city festival, the Maple Leaf Festival. We're going to be at the All Hemp Farm. They are having a cannabis and more uh, expo and festival and stuff going on for a couple months, about 3 months out there, and we're going to come in kind of towards their finale and throw our week-long event and our little Peace Fest. So I'm pretty excited about that. You guys give me some feedback, see what you think. I've got some artists already booked and lined up. Got stages set, got security set. I mean, so all these things are in motion. We're looking for vendors and craftsmen and women and stuff. So if you do crafts, if you do any kind of artistry stuff or artisan stuff, let us know, because the idea is to showcase the area. You know, we want to bring out all this stuff while we're throwing a week-long music event, and that way people can come out and be entertained and have a good time, and also we can share what everybody's doing in the community with each other, because we're all better when we're together. And so that's the idea. So um, while we're out there, just in case again you guys don't know, the All Hemp Farm is kind of like one of the big mazes you go to, and it has all the family entertainment and stuff, except this is also hemp based, so you can go through a hemp maze, and that way you can see kind of more what we're talking about, and that it's not this big villainous thing that people sometimes make everything out to be. We have rides and attractions, games, stages. There will be spokespeople. There will be hopefully some comedians, some fire entertainers, and different things. I don't even know how to put it all under one umbrella. I could spend probably an hour trying to mention all the stuff we're going to bring in. We're bringing in a big swap meet. So if you're interested in having a booth for a swap meet and you have stuff you want to swap, let us know. And I will be getting more information out about it. We're just finally getting things, kind of in the stage where we can start putting it down and letting everybody know what's actually going on. So it's finally getting some signatures on paper, and that matters. So I hope you guys are excited. So be looking forward to it. So Hwpworld will be throwing our first ever Peace Fest. And if everything goes well, it'll be an annual event, and it should bring in a lot of people. So make sure to keep up to date so you can find about your tickets. If you're a musician or artist that we haven't got a hold of yet and you're interested in coming out, get a hold of me. If you want to share this so that other people can know about it, please do. We're going to bring in, of course, as much hemp stuff as we can. I will be showing our hemp bus, so you guys will get to see the hemp flooring and the hemp insulation and our Willie Nelson CBD lines. We'll try and bring in some merch, so in case you guys want to check it out, and lots of information so you can order stuff and everything. So anyway, thanks guys for everything that you're doing and for being part of our little world. And I'm Johnny, your little hippie. Take care, and I'm out.